Want to make your own mini figurine, but 3D modeling feels too hard and time-consuming? No worries. In today's video, I'll show you how to transform your favorite character, or even yourself, into a custom mini figurine with the help of AI. Let's dive in. First, we'll use Fotor AI Art Effects to create a stunning 2D figurine. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, click the New button to explore the mini figurine style. Simply upload an image of the character you want to transform. Select the mini figurine style and let Fotor work its magic. In seconds, you'll have a beautifully stylized 2D figurine image. Want to turn your own photo into a mini figurine? No problem. Upload your picture and Fotor will do the rest. When you're happy with your design, click here to download your figurine image for free. Next, let's bring your creation to life in 3D. There are plenty of free websites that can convert your 2D image into a 3D model. Just Google 2D to 3D converter to find one. On the site, upload the figurine image you just downloaded and hit the Generate button. Within moments, you'll have a fully rendered 3D model, which you can find under My Models. Take a moment to rotate and inspect your model for perfection. If everything looks good, click to download it as a 3D file, which can even be imported into Blender for further customization. Now for the exciting part, turning your 3D model into a physical figurine. Head over to Etsy and search for 3D printing service. There, you'll find affordable sellers who can bring your digital creation to life. Just upload your file, place an order, and they'll handle the printing. This process is not just fun, it's an opportunity to start a small business. You could sell your 3D models or printed figurines on Etsy, opening up a new creative avenue. And that's it, from a 2D image to a 3D printed figurine in just 3 steps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you'd like any further tweaks.